Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. Hello family, thank you again for tuning in for another exciting episode with Fafa in my kitchen. Today I'm sharing my classic okra stir fry recipe, but not as you know it. Aromatic, crunchy, and also delicious. Naturally, I'd leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, fafagilbert.com. So do check it out. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can purchase a merchandise or two, and I'll leave a link in the description box, and that would help you to do so. Now, anyway, let's start. And if this is your first time, thank you very much for gracing me with your presence, and you're welcome. So I've got my okra here. I've taken the top and the bottom part off, as you can tell, and then I'm just going to be slicing this in a slanty position. Yes. Why am I doing so? To ensure that all that flavors permeates through, and then you'd have some crunchy tips going through. Yes. Now, in a previous video, I did make my okra stir fry. Yes, but I blanched it before, but with this, we're just doing it directly. So if you definitely want that doesn't like that sliminess of the okra, this is the best recipe for you. So after slanting, I'm now going on to my banana shallots, but you can use any onions of your choosing. And of course, I'll be using some tomatoes as well. As I mentioned, I'll leave all the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, fafagilbert.com. So yes, next thing is I've got my smoked dried shrimps, and to that I'm placing in my mortar, and I'm adding some cumin seeds, and cumin seeds has this sort of aromatic woody flavor. So it's like if you've got aniseed, yes, you can use aniseed. The difference between the two, that is the aniseed and cumin seeds, the cumin seeds do have this woody undertone notes to it, yes. So it's a very nice medium to go for. And here I'm adding some Szechuan pepper, yes, and that's so aromatic. But then again, if you use aniseed and mix it with cumin, you will get a similar flavor. Absolutely. So anyway, I'm now going to be crushing this until I get that beautiful rough consistency. And now I'm going to place my saucepan on that medium heat to start off with. I've added a little bit of my vegetable oil, and quickly I'm also adding my chopped okra. Say what? I know. Stay tuned for more. So I'm going to quickly stir fry the okra on a medium heat just for about 2 minutes, and then I'll be reintroducing it back into the dish. But for now, I'm just going to be infusing it with my amazing flavors. So of course, I'm adding my seasoned dry shrimp powder that I've created, as you saw me do earlier. And as I said, I'm just going to stir fry this just for under 2 minutes. And whilst this is stir frying, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to taste, because of course I'm seasoning the okra. At this point as well, I need that residual heat, so I'm using my chili flakes. So this looks good, and I'm just going to mix it all together, and I think I've now got to the stage where I need to reserve this. The beauty about reserving the okra is it still has that residual heat coming through, so it will cook whilst it's still sitting there for you. So using the same saucepan, I've just added a little bit of my vegetable oil, and now I'm going to be adding my banana shallots. But at this point, I have increased the heat, so I am cooking now on a high heat. You can use any onion of your choosing. Don't restrict yourself at all. You know, you can always improvise with a recipe. So anyway, the onion has been frying for about 2 minutes on that high heat. And now I'm introducing my green chilies, which are on the milder side. Bearing in mind, I've also added some chili flakes to my okra stir fry already. And now I'm adding my chopped tomatoes. So I'm going to be stir frying this mixture again for another 3 minutes on that high heat. Now I need to introduce some more flavors. So if you've been watching this channel, I always talk about my holy grail, which consists of my garlic, ginger, onion, and aniseed. So I'm going to be scooping about 2 tablespoonfuls of that into my mixture here. Now, do not worry, I have covered the a spice blend, and I'll leave a link in the description box so you can make your own spice blends. Absolutely amazing and easy to follow. And now I think I can add my okra. Exactly, because this is done. And as you can see, it has this dry consistency about it, yes. And that ensures that the okra does not release its mucilaginous nature, that sort of sliminess. No, it's all crunchy, it's beautiful, it's flavor packed. Now, the beauty about the smoked dry shrimps is it adds this incredible sweetness to the dish. So yes, and it's also seafoody, absolutely. So you can also serve this with a slice of lime or lemon or two. Yes, it's up to you. Try it and tell me what you think. But this bad girl looks good. Now, if you do like what you see, please smash the like button. And to my loyal subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you very, very much for your support. Notification gang, I can't wait to have a chat with you guys, and always know that you have my heart. Now, if you've not activated your notifications, this is the time that you need to do so, because what happens is immediately I upload a video, it is delivered straight to you and you are notified of it as well, so you do not miss any future videos. And I do not want to miss you, and that is all it takes to be part of the notification gang. They're a positive bunch and I absolutely adore them. So yes, you need to stay tuned. Now, you don't believe what I serve this with. I serve this with some matrika with jollof. Yes, you said what? Absolutely. And that'll be the next recipe coming up. And bearing in mind, this channel has over 500 recipes waiting for you, like the lemon cod goujons. You've got the amazing corned beef stew, my rainbow carrot salad. Yes, you can try your hands on my focaccia, yes. And then this crispy salmon. Oh, it was to die for. You know, your watermelon juice, your lemonade. Like, seriously, we serving you some goodness here. And have you ever tried that Guinean gari photo? Yes, it's almost like couscous, but so flavored. Now, as I mentioned, naturally, I'd leave the list of ingredients and measurements of this recipe on my blog, fafagilbert.com. You'd also find more recipes on my other blog, ndudu.fafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. You'll find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa, so pass by and say hi. Norel, thank you ever so much for my theme songs. You are the real MVP. And until my next recipe with you guys tomorrow, yes, stay tuned. Take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful, be gorgeous. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you soon. Because me, I love you for you too.